What I love about long distance running is I love the different terrains, and you can really choose where you get to run.
What's your favorite thing about Pride Rock song?
I like the view.
My favorite part about long distance running is how you are pretty much in control of your entire situation, and you get to push yourself and see where your limits are and hopefully push those limits back. It's really one of the greatest ways to test yourself and see who you really are and what you can accomplish. My favorite long run memory would have to be the time where we decided it was a good idea to start at Simsbury High School and run to the peak of Penwoods and then run to the peak of Talcott Mountain. It was supposed to be a 90-minute run, ended up taking us just about 2 hours, if not more. And on the way back, we found a skateboard at a yard sale for free. So we took it and rode it for 1.5 miles back to Simsbury High School.
Okay.
Alright, so
For this year, my favorite long run was the time when me and Judah went running through Onion Mountain, and we were planning on running up to the top, but we got lost and ended up in a canyon.
he starts eating these pepperonis, and I'm like, Solomon, why are you eating pepperonis? And he was like, because they're good. And then we ran up the mountain. So something I really love about long distance running, especially on trails, is all the different conditions that you face. You train in all different sorts of weather, whether it be snow or heavy rain or heat. You get hills that really challenge you, like Endy up on the ridge. Probably one of the toughest hills I know of. I pretty much died on that hill several times, going up and down.